Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are doing a unboxing of this 2.5 ton MEEC TOOLS floor jack. Okay, so let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Here we have this handle. Comes in 2 pieces. And we have the manual. And we have the floor jack itself. It is heavy. Okay. So what we need to do first is remove this piece. And we remove this screw, put the handle in there and tighten up the bolt. And we take our other piece, turn it till this pops out. Okay. So this floor jack is a low profile. So it can lift from 75 millimeter up to 510 millimeter. So that's good. And now, before we use it the first time, we need to bleed the air. And this is done by opening this valve and at the same time push down on this piece. Okay, a few times, and then close the valve. And here comes my helping hand, who's gonna who's gonna stand on this piece while I pump the handle. Okay, you stand there and now open the valve and pump the handle.
Yeah. Okay. Pump harder.
we can hear the air purge. So, and now we close up the valve.
Yeah.
And now we can test her out. If you stand with 2 feet.
Okay, 2 feet.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
And now
I
we...
know it. No.
Oh,
Oh no. I'm flying.
she works like a charm.
Yeah.
And now I let her down. Yeah. Great. Well guys, that was a pretty quick review on this 2.5 ton floor jack.
Hit that subscribe button in 3, 2, 1. Bye.
Yay. Hey, where did she go? Okay. See you guys.